Hey guys, it's your boy Rahim. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, smash the subscribe button because I talk about property investment, personal development, and how to gain financial freedom. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to become rich if you're earning an average salary. Before we get going, I'd like to thank all the people that have subscribed, watching our channel. The channel is growing immensely. We've gone from having 75% of people watching our channel that have not subscribed to 51%. So we're doing absolutely amazing. So thank you for doing that. For the people that have not smashed that subscribe button, I really would ask you to kindly smash the subscribe button. This will help the algorithm to push the videos and to reach many more people, and it motivates me and encourages me to do more valuable content for you. So let's get to it. So I'm going to share with you 3 ways you can become rich with an average salary. The number 1 way is to invest in assets instead of lifestyle. So what do I mean lifestyle? When you've got a paycheck or when you've got a pay rise, for example, now it's Christmas, New Year, or whatever you've done at work, if you've got a pay rise, instead of investing that pay rise to your lifestyle by perhaps maybe getting a car, buying some furniture at home, or maybe actually buying gift, perhaps buying something that doesn't really add value to what you want to do, something that really depreciates in value as soon as you bought it. Things like shoes, belts, suit, things like that. Really and truly, it's not the things that you could be doing. So what you want to do is to invest in appreciating assets. So what do I mean by appreciating assets? I'm talking about gold. I'm talking about investing in businesses. I'm talking about starting your own online business. I'm talking about investing in properties, for example, where you can joint venture with someone to start your property investment business. So instead of investing in your lifestyle, find a way that you can invest in something that could add value to you and at the same time gives you better return on investment. Number 2, so once you start investing for passive recurring income, if you want to improve your life at that point, only use the income, the passive income you're making from the investment you've made. Only use that income. Don't use your salary. So keep your salary or your income or your additional income that you're making, investing into the business, and that passive recurring income or cash flow that's coming from that business to improve your lifestyle. And I advise you to delay that as well. Do not start investing today. You start making £1,000 or £2,000 a month and you start improving your lifestyle. Maybe you want to leave it for a bit, let it breed up. It's like an acorn, aren't you? So you can build it slowly, get it to grow, and then it become an oak tree. So allow that to brew and grow before you start using your passive income to improve your lifestyle. Number 3, so you continue that way until your passive income is equal to your earned income. In other words, you're going to be investing until, suppose you're making £2,000 a month, until your passive income equal to £2,000. So they're actually the same. So what that means basically, at that point, you're starting to become financially free, or actually you're financially free because your passive income is now the same as your earned income, the money that you're making from working for someone. So at that point, you could be saying you would have got that momentum to expedite your investment process. And then if you keep using your earned income to invest in asset that produces passive recurring income, your wealth will continue to grow. I believe that is more fruitful strategy than focusing on increasing your earned incomes by switching jobs to jobs, looking for the next paycheck, looking for the employer that pays you more money. Let's say I am working for a company and I am earning £50,000 and it's about a year end of the company and the company has done really well, and then the company decided to give me say 10% bonus for my work well done. So that 10% bonus would be £5,000. So once I've received that £5,000, so actually instead of me using that £5,000 to go and maybe pay for a holiday or maybe buy a car or buy a furniture I always wanted, I'd rather then use that money to invest in real estate. You may be thinking £5,000 will not get you far. Yes, it wouldn't get you far if you don't know what you're doing. But if you do know what you're doing, they've got strategies called rent to rent. For example, £5,000 can start you on real estate where you can acquire £300,000 property with only £5,000. You can then rent that property from a landlord, and then you subsequently rent that property as an Airbnb or as a HMO property, and that property could generate you anywhere between £600 to about £1,500. So if you invest £5,000 for £1,500 income, passive income, that's what you call making your money work for you instead of you spending it lavishly to things that doesn't add value to you. Imagine then having £1,000 a month for the next 12 months. You're talking about £12,000 passive income, whilst you've got your earned income reinvested perhaps in that same strategy to get you to be having £2,000-3,000 a month. It would eventually compound itself and becomes a snowball, and then it gives you a massive return on investment, passive recurring income, which will ultimately allow you to become richer than you are a few years ago. So I really hope this video has been helpful. If this video has been helpful, smash the like button below, subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos. I look forward to sharing the next video. Thank you.